Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the dying art blue pottery. You will be amazed to know that the use of blue glaze on these potteries was first used by the Mongolian artisans combined with the Chinese technology to decorate a Persian art. So today we will visit Kripal Kumbh, a home of a legendary artisan Kripal Singh Shekhawat, who won Padma Shri for his skills in making blue pottery and who also revived this ancient art. And we will also talk to his daughters Kumut Shekhawat and Meenakshi Shekhawat, and we'll know how this art is going in today's time. So shall we? So, ma'am, first of all, very warm welcome to our show. So, ma'am, before starting to asking your questions to Blue Pottery, I want to ask about Mr. Kripal Singh ji, because whenever we talk about Jaipur's Blue Pottery, the first thing that comes in our mind is Mr. Kripal Singh, the man who restored the art of Blue Pottery when it was getting vanished years ago. So, ma'am, how it all started during those years?
My father, first of all, I feel myself very lucky. I feel that my father is such a legendary figure.
Yes, ma'am.
So I feel myself very lucky to be his daughter. Then next I want to tell you that of a student of Japanese great masters. I don't remember those masters' name. I have written somewhere. There were two Japanese masters, and he was lucky to be their student. So from there, when he did all his that painting dinner was over, then he came back here, and he met the chairperson of All India Handicrafts Board, Srimati Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, and she and Maharani Gayatri Devi ji. They told him that Jaipur royal family wanted to start one institution in Jaipur, and there they wanted institution where the Jaipur boys were taught all different handicrafts. My father said that I don't know anything about it, about blue pottery. So they said that once you come settle in Jaipur, you are going to be the director of that institution. So you don't have to be yourself a master. Okay, you see the paintings and all that thing, but blue pottery slowly you will come to know. So okay, blue pottery was already there in Jaipur, but but it was confined to one family, and that family nobody came and continued with that work, so it has come to an end. And when Maharani Gayatri Devi got married to Maharaja Man Singh ji, and she visited the City Palace Museum, in that collection she saw some very old pieces. Out of those two old pieces we also have here.
Okay, ma'am.
She only gifted to my father. So she saw that those pottery. So she inquired from to Maharaja ki what are these. Then Maharaja gave her all the explained about that. Then she said we should start it again. So this was her actually plan to start back the blue pottery. So and how that she come to know about my father, and my father came to Jaipur. How this pottery started, and Jaipur became famous for this pottery. तो ये जो beauty color है ना इसकी turquoise blue.
Yes.
That is what a dust of copper. The coppersmith makes that vessel, and the dust which is scrape and all that comes out and falls, that is collected and that is grinded, and it is grinded for 1 to 2 months. As जितना ज़्यादा grind होएगा ना उतना ही सुंदर turquoise blue बैठेगा.
Okay, so ma'am, that was the
That is
reason
the
behind the color blue it started, and
Yes.
it's called a blue pottery.
Maximum color is blue. That is why it is known as blue pottery.
Oh.
The dark blue for the outline, the light blue, turquoise blue, it's all time consuming. It requires a lot of labor. So the
The
has to
labor will
be
become very costly.
Yes, ma'am.
labor has to become very expensive, and colors also become very expensive.
Colors is also
And then we have GST on top of
Nowadays.
yes.
और फिर
Earlier on
नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज खत्म होते जा रहे हैं. आप कौन कॉपर वेसल बनाते हैं?
COVID, and as I said, GST. I mean, people
charges
people
become-
from Blue Pottery, even they have been trying since GST has been implemented to remove GST from Blue Pottery. but government is very like they are not interested. I mean, when early many years back, during my father's time, when the sales tax was introduced, so my father at that time Bharat Singh Shekhawat, he was the chief minister. So that time my father had gone to him and he said he had to remove it, and he removed it.
That very moment, instantly give
But now
orders.
these days,
There is
I mean,
nobody to listen.
politicians, yeah, they don't. They are in their own. What do you say?
To run their own government.
Yeah,
The power games.
Power games. Yeah.
उनको बहुत ज्यादा उसकी चिंता है भाई आज के
Yes.
टू सर्वाइव ना इनको
Yes,
क्या
sir.
होएगा आर्टिसन व्हाट प्रॉब्लम द आर्टिसन इज फेसिंग अच्छा मैन मोर ओवर आई विल व्हाट डिफिकल्टी अनदर इज दिस नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज खत्म होते जा रहे हैं है ना तो धीरे धीरे एक टाइम आएगा जब ये क्वार्ट्ज स्टोन मिलना बंद हो जाएगा
Okay.
ठीक है कलर का तो मैंने बता ही दिया आपको कि कलर में क्या दिक्कत आ रही है और ये लेबर चार्जेस हैं वो बहुत बढ़े जा रहे हैं
Which we can't afford.
है ना अच्छा इन सब को अगर हम काउंट करते हैं तो कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट पॉटरी इज बिकमिंग हाई देयर इज द बायर इज नॉट रेडी टू पे दैट मच ऑफ अमाउंट बिकॉज ही थिंक्स है तो पॉटरी ना कुछ ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है ना पीतल और सिल्वर तो नहीं है ना
गोल्ड और डायमंड
है ना हाँ गोल्ड और डायमंड तो नहीं है ना ये पॉटरी क्यों इतनी एक्सपेंसिव हमें मालूम है कि क्यों एक्सपेंसिव दिस इज द मेन रीजन मोर ओवर मोस्टली द पीपल डोंट हैव एनी लाइकिंग फॉर द हैंडमेड क्राफ्ट टू हैव टू बाय अ हैंडीक्राफ्ट द बायर पीपल नीड टू हैव a liking for the art, for the craft and the artisan, a soft corner for them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then I tell you one thing: why the people, those artisans are doing like this? Because the workmanship is coming very high on it.
Yes.
Like if I want to do design on this. Because everybody is not an artist. All those people who are doing pottery, they are not artists. So what they do? They hire somebody who will keep on doing the outline. And then there will be somebody in the family or maybe किसी को train करा उन्होंने or maybe they are hiring somebody to do the filling here. अब क्या हुआ तो इसको बनाने का मटेरियल पहले तो मटेरियल कॉस्ट फिर इसको बनाने का इतना कॉस्ट फिर इसके ऊपर जो मेन चीज़ इस ब्लू पॉटरी में है वो इसका डिज़ाइन है तो ये जो हायर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डिज़ाइन है ना तो ये जो डिज़ाइन है ना इसका भी ये कॉस्टली पड़ रहा है तो क्या कर रहे हैं तो पीपल आर टेकिंग आउट सम मीन्स मेथड्स जिससे कम इसके ऊपर कॉस्ट है द थिंग इज दिस So for the designing, what they have done, they have started doing transfers. So we can transfer stenciling,
print.
Okay.
You will not even come to know, and you will say, oh, so beautiful it is. And then क्या कर रहे हैं body में ये कौन quartz stone कौन खरीदे? चाइना के ले लो,
हाँ. Because
चाइना के ले लो के और उसको पानी में मिक्स करा और मोल्ड में डाला धूप में रखा वैसे धूप तो यहाँ आपको है ना तो धूप में रखा एक दिन की धूप में वो सूख जाएगा उसको मोल्ड से हटाया बर्तन रेडी थोड़ा सा सैंड में फिर मारा तो मारा होगा और बस हो गया और यहाँ हम क्या कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे क्वार्ट्ज ओरिजिनल क्वार्ट्ज स्टोन ले रहे हैं और वही सारा मन कर रहे हैं और फिर इसको सुखाते उसको घिसते इसका ये चीज़ पार्ट बनाते ये हमारे पास आता है 22 डेज के बाद मेरे हाथ में आएगा डिज़ाइन बनाने
So it takes 22 days under sun to.
No, not under the sun.
Okay.
There will be different steps to complete this one item. It will take 22 days.
Yes. And then another day for the painting work.
20 after the painting.
see, by the time the product reaches the store, it goes through workers. That means even we are workers because we are doing the designing and painting. So it passes through the workers and around 50 times.
Wait, but it will
And,
keep on going on.
these things
So
are not-
very long process.
So a lot of patience is required in making
lot
this.
of patience and lot of time.
And nobody new generation is not taking this. Why we are continuing both of us?
So what is the main reason why new generation is not in?
I'm telling you.
Labor intensive work.
We-
You have to have
You are not
patience.
going getting that much of return.
Yes.
Why we both of us are continuing? We are just continuing it, carrying out the legacy because this is my father's work.
Yes.
So we, as both of us only, we have to work to continue this work. Otherwise, this craft comes to an end.
Okay. Yes.
Why the new generation is not coming? Because of all these reasons, difficulties, and moreover, then this labor charges, material costing.
I mean, you're not
too
getting
much
the
of time,
returns. How much you're investing?
too much of time. Why the labor is not getting the children into this? This is the reason.
Yeah.
So as you told, there are so many challenges that are coming up in the sector of blue pottery. So, and you are into this business from years. So, what do you think? Or any suggestions that how can this can be resolved? That it can be saved for another generation. This art can be saved.
Government should take initiative, because see, all these people who are doing blue pottery, they are not rich people, they are poor people. है ना, the whole family is involved in it. I mean, छोटा बच्चे उसको देने के लिए तू पेंट कर दे ऐसे. So the government should take interest in it, and they should think that because these people are poor, है ना, उनका livelihood करने के लिए, so they should take steps to do the marketing and all for them.
So thank you, ma'am, for talking to me, and thank you for taking your time for our show. Thank you very much. Thank you. So the legacy of Shri Kripal Singh Shekhawat is carried on by his daughters at Kripal Kumbh, but they and many such artisans are worried that this art will not be sustainable in future because of many reasons, such as implication of GST, non-availability of natural resources, and easily available cheap and fake blue potteries. So after knowing all these reasons, we have to take some steps to save the art of blue pottery by stop buying fake blue potteries, encouraging blue pottery artisans, and developing a love for the handmade craft. So do share this video and keep supporting us, and thank you for watching this video.